In this video, I will show you how to fix high CPU usage on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a few things you can do to lower your CPU usage on Chrome if you are using a high CPU usage. To start with, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots and come and hover over More Tools. On the submenu that comes up, come and click onto Task Manager, and basically what you want to do is just scroll through this list and end any task that may be using a lot of CPU. Now, what I would recommend doing is closing anything that says sort of subframe, and you can also scroll down and see if there's any extensions currently being used that maybe look a bit weird or spammy, or you just don't use them at all. To end any of these tasks, all you need to do is simply select the one that you want to close. For example, this extension at the bottom called Mute Tab I'm not currently using, so I'm going to click it to select and then click onto End Task. Now again, you want to repeat this mainly for subframe and extensions. You don't really want to do this for any websites or open tabs, things like that. Just mainly do it for that, and that should help reduce your CPU usage. Once you've done that, what you can do is come back to Google Chrome, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots again, and this time you want to come and hover over extensions. Then what you want to do is click onto Manage Extensions in the submenu, and again just scroll through these different extensions and see if you can turn any of these off. For example, ones you're not using or ones that look quite spammy or weird, then you just want to go ahead and turn them off simply by turning the switch off, like this for example. And that's going to go ahead and turn off that extension and free up some CPU usage. You can also remove any extensions from here as well if there's any you no longer use. The final thing I would recommend doing is if you come again to the top right hand corner of Chrome, click onto the three dots. What you want to do is come and hover over Help down towards the bottom, and on the submenu click onto About Google Chrome. Now what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and you want to make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Chrome. For myself, I didn't currently have an up-to-date version of Chrome, so as you can see it's automatically updating, so it might auto update, but if not, it's going to be a button saying Update Chrome. Give that a click. What you're going to want to do once that's done is restart Chrome, and that should fix any high CPU usage problems with Google Chrome. So that is how to fix high CPU usage on Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.